Oracle has been a star performer on the S&P 500 in recent sessions. It was up 12%, outperforming its peers, and is part of a broader trend where software stocks that had been really beaten down earlier this year, they are bouncing back. Now, why is that? Well, firstly, it's because the market sentiment is quite positive. We've got good news in the Middle East with peace talks progressing, albeit slowly, but the market is hanging on to faith that will lead to the reopening of the Strait of Hormuz. That's what tech stocks really like. They like stability, they like lower interest rates. So that is also helping Oracle. And thirdly, they are also touting the benefits of all their AI features. Now that is during its Customer Edge Summit, where they said that they were saving consumers in the US up to about $300 million on their energy bills. This is because of the software that they're providing to utility companies to help track consumer usage and get them to lower their energy usage and also make it more efficient, which is lowering their energy bills. So in this environment, everyone wants that type of technology, so they are piling into Oracle, and there could be further to go. Although Oracle's had a very strong week, it's actually down 21% year to date and about 50% since the high last September. So there could be more gains to come if we see this continued recovery in software stocks.